Welcome to SouFLoTV again, everybody. It's your host with the most. So today we're going to talk about food. And if you know, one thing I like to do is I like to support my brothers and sisters. Yeah. So there's a brother here named Chicken King in Negril, Jamaica. And I am urging everybody, if you're ever in Jamaica, to make your way to Chicken King. Check it. He does Uber delivery even. His number for business is 1-876-848-0098. Let me say it again. His number for business is 1-876-848-0098. He's even on FB, Facebook, at Chicken King Negril. He is even on Facebook at Chicken King Negril. And he's available for business, catering, corporate affairs, family get-togethers. If you just want the tourist route and you're just stopping by to grab some eats, may I tell you, the man food pretty. His presentation is professional, nothing less. You understand? And some of the best food you will ever get on the island of Jamaica. Chicken King Road Grill in Negril, located by Long Bay Beach, next to Issa House. Located by Long Bay Beach, next to Issa House. He does jerk chicken. Check this out. He does jerk rabbit. The man does steak. He even does vegetarian menu. So there's something here for everybody. You don't have an excuse to not go. Bammies and fry fish. And you can get your fish even steamed. It doesn't have to be fried. Just look out for the 2 yellow jerk pans after you pass Issa House in Negril, Top Beach. Alright? Let me tell you something. When I'm in Jamaica, right, I drive all the way from Portmore all the way to Westmoreland, because there's a jerk man in Westmoreland that does it like no other can, or no other has done it so far. But I am hearing about Chicken King Negril, Chicken King in Negril, and I'm telling you, go check out the brother. Alright? So many people cannot be wrong. Chicken King in Negril. Food is a big part. Whenever I'm on vacation in Jamaica, people, I tend to put on a whole lot of weight because I'm just trying to eat up all the good food before I leave. You know, we in these foreign lands and we eating all these processed foods and all these things. So it's a joy to actually touch the island and get some organic food and some real cooking. You know? Not no fast food, because them food here cook slow. Them food here well seasoned and marinated and take time. And when this brother here, Chicken King, serve it to you, you can just feel the love. I'm looking at a picture, right, with 2 big lobster. And I'm thinking to myself, boy, overseas, you know, if you get a meal like this, you're gonna pay a whole lot of money, you know. Boy, this brother ain't trying to break your back. He's trying to fill your belly with some delicious food and make a business for himself. So go support the brother. I'm gonna say it again. His number is 1-876-848-0098. He is on Facebook at Chicken King Negril. Alright, so contact him, link him up, tell him say you're coming to Jamaica, and it don't matter what part of the island you're at. It's a reason to take a long drive. I take a long drive from town, go all the way to Westmoreland and Clarendon for some food. And on the way driving there, because they have now built these beautiful highways in Jamaica, guess what? I am sightseeing. Oh, and let me tell you about the pepper shrimps down the west. And if I tell you about it, yeah man. So, Chicken King Road Grill in Negril, by Long Bay Beach, next to Issa House. That's Chicken King. in the Grill by Long Bay Beach next to Issa House. Alright? And remember, like I said, he does jerk. He does jerk chicken. He does jerk rabbit. I don't know if you ever eat rabbit, you know, but he does jerk rabbit. I actually never eat rabbit myself, but I want to try, and I heard it's really good. And for the people them who are saying, Lord, that is some meat, something, and I am vegetarian, guess what? The brother does vegetarian dishes as well. So go all the vibes with Chicken King out on the grill, that's so, and make him know that SouFLoTV sent you. Alright? Him do steak too. Bami and fry fish too. And for the man them will say, yo, I don't want my fish frying, I'm like it steam with some okra and them kind of thing there. He's the man. Matter of fact, you can call him and order ahead and have your thing specially made. Alright? All celebrity pass this a man and know who he is, man. And forward and get them eats. You see me? Yeah. So look out for the 2 yellow jerk pans after you pass Issa House in the Grill, Top Beach. If you're in Jamaica, do yourself a favor. Go and see Chicken King in the Grill. Chicken King Road Grill in the Grill by Long Bay Beach next to Issa House. Look out for the 2 yellow jerk pans after you pass Issa House in the Grill, Top Beach. And one more time for the record, his number is 1876 848 0098. So for those of you who are planning on going to Jamaica or you haven't been back in a while, and when you reach, you say, yo, I want some good food, but I haven't been back in a while, so I really don't have any links. You know, if you worry about go drive around, and if you ask strangers and put yourself out there like that, I'm giving you a direct link to when you hit Jamaica. Link up with this brother. Phone number and all, 1876 848 0098. And tell him, say you are forward to his location. And ask him what's on the menu and what he can do for you. And I guarantee you, you'll be pleasantly pleased. Alright? Again, for those of you who are on social media, he is on Facebook. And his handle on Facebook is at, you know, the at sign, at Chicken King the Grill. Alright? Go and go show off. Take pictures. Good food there. Thank me later. Yeah man, that's how we do it.